Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Because my former video was a bit of a fail, I thought you deserved a bonus video. So in this video I'm gonna make a business card holder, and this is how it looks like. I made a template for it, and I wanted to make it possible for a rather big pile of business cards. And these are the diameters, the sizing that I made for it. It's 10 centimeters in width. And you cut it out of faux leather, and here you mark where your snaps will be. So mark it on your template and then reproduce it on your leather or faux leather. And I use these plastic snaps that I used before because they're very nice to work with, very easy to do, and they apply very nicely, so you don't have to be using hammers or whatever to make them. It's very easy to do. And so you mark where your button should be. You first mark only on the bottom part, not on the top part, because then you will have a problem stitching if you already do the snap on the top part. So here I'm placing the one on the bottom part. Make sure you use the right two pieces, because there are two different pieces for the back and for the front. Then we're gonna fold them on the marks that we made, and you can sew it all the way around, so from one side to the top part, around the corners. And that is why you must not put the top snap already on, because then you cannot make this curve where we are now. I did it before and that I saw that was a problem, so I had to do it again. So you go all the way around. And what you should not do when you're working with faux leather is do back stitches, because then you get too much holes in the fabric and the fabric will break. And so what you do is you just knot the ends of the thread on both sides, give them 3 knots, and then cut them off close to the knot. You can even force them with some nail polish. Now you can do the other snap on the top part, on the fold part, and make the hole, put the snap on. And then you are ready. It's looking really nice. It can really hold a lot of business cards, and you have them nicely together that you don't have creases or folds on your business card, because that doesn't look that professional. So this is the end result. I hope you liked it, and this was your special bonus video. And I'll see you again next week with the sewing one again. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.